Located on the western Ghats of Maharashtra, Bhandardara is a beautiful hill station having spectacular views that cannot be missed. It is located approximately 165 kilometers from both Mumbai and Pune and approximately 71 kilometers from Nasik. Bhandardara is easily accessible by road, via car and bus, and the nearest railway station is at Igatpuri, which is 35 kilometers from Bhandardara. The best time to visit is during the monsoon season to see the whole hill station painted in lush greenery, huge waterfalls peeking from the mountains, crystal clear lake views, and the perfect weather. It's also the house of the highest peak in Maharashtra, Mount Kalsubai, and is a famous destination for trekkers as well. Bhandardara is located at the banks of the river Parwana and is blessed with breathtaking views, which has many camping sites for an adventurous stay and also luxury resorts and comfortable stays for family getaway. It's a great time to indulge in a long drive for some fresh air, but with utmost safety and precaution, which must be a priority traveling these days. Here is a tour of Bhandardara after lockdown and the must-visit places during the monsoon season, having outstanding views everywhere. What's up guys, it's Grishma and welcome to my channel. So today we are heading to a very beautiful place called Bhandardara. This was on my travel list since a very long time and we're finally heading over there. So now almost 14 kilometers is left to be covered. We already had our breakfast that was in the car itself. We took thepla and had tea in the car itself, and now we're heading directly non-stop to Bhandardara. As I mentioned, just 14 kilometers is left. Also the road is very beautiful over here, but in the beginning, like when you take a right from Igatpuri towards Bhandardara, the road is very bad. That is why it consumes a lot of time to go ahead. But other than that, now the road, as you can see behind me, is good and we're soon heading. So let's go. Road, we actually are on the ghat, like we begin the ghat to head to Bhandardara, and the road over here is very nice and the scenic beauty around it is very beautiful. As you can see, the foggy mountains, the super nice greenery and outstanding views is just breathtaking. So we made it to our first location. This is the Arthur Lake. As you can see, it's so pretty and beautiful. It's also very large. Now Bhandardara is surrounded by this lake, and Bhandardara is also known and famous for this lake itself, and it's very peaceful and nice. Also, it's a perfect climate to be over there. The sun is also not too harsh. The climate, the temperature is just perfect for this time. That behind me is the Wilson Dam, and the water flowing through the Wilson Dam is called the Umbrella Waterfall. Dam is filled till the top, it's overflowing. It's actually quite scary to look at it, but it's just amazing, like how is that even possible? The dam is built in the 1900s and seeing the strength right now, it's unbelievable. It's just something that you have to come and check out yourself over here. of Athar Lake. This is the water that flows to the dam that you see behind over there. Yeah. So that's the water that flows to the lake that we just saw before. Our next destination, which is Randan Falls, which is approximately around 10 kilometers from Wilson Dam that we just saw. And this is the road that we have to walk for like 2 minutes or so after parking our vehicle at the entry. There's also a temple over here. As soon as we made it to Randan Falls, it was already lunchtime, and before exploring the whole place, we decided to eat first. And as per the new travel scenario, lunch is some yummy home-cooked meal. So we found the perfect spot to have a lunch. As you can see, the backdrop is absolutely beautiful, and there's like a little shade over there to have lunch. Luckily there's no one over here. We can have the lunch all by ourselves. And for having lunch, we have home cooked meal with plates, cups, spoons, everything bought from home itself. And if you're doing the same, make sure that you don't litter the place, and please don't throw it here and there. Let us all maintain the place, the beautiful place and the world that we live in. Having my favorite thing, gulab jamun with a view. What's better than this? That's the waterfall over there, and that's the lake that continues to the waterfall. It is so beautiful. Like in the monsoon season, like exactly in the monsoon season, it would be very pretty. And also this waterfall is supposed to be Maharashtra's third largest waterfall. It's the month of September right now, and that is why the flow of the water isn't that much. But imagine the flow of the water in like the proper monsoon season. No rocks would be visible over here, and also the temple that you see behind, that also gets submerged into the water. This was the beautiful Bhandardara. I hope you enjoyed this video, and these were some of the best and must visit places that you have to visit if you come here. Whenever you're traveling, make sure that you take safety measures and wear a mask, sanitize and maintain social distancing. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, then make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more travel adventures, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.